For coming in. Nice to see you. I was thinking, what have you been doing over the past couple of years? But the real question is, what haven't you been doing? You've been busy since American Idol.
I have. American Idol is just a great platform to come off of and be able to, play music all over the world and, do Broadway. Honestly, that's what I've been doing, is a lot of Broadway stuff, which is awesome because I've allowed that to parlay into some TV and film roles and stuff. So I'm very blessed,
Definitely. You've had this album that went platinum, right? Did you write a book as well, I hear?
I did write a book.
All this in just a couple of years. It's crazy. I don't know how you have time for all this, and now you're touring, and Denver's kind of like the first stop in the whole country, right?
Yeah, I've got a band in town I really love that's playing at Red Rocks, Widespread Panic, and a lot of the musicians from the area come out. Ivan Melville, Carl Denson's Tiny Universe. We're doing kind of a little jam session tonight at Cervantes, and it's my national tour starts July 24th, and I'm just blessed to be able to tour the country. I'm a big fan of Denver too.
Yeah, isn't it a great place? Yeah, got a little country to it, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
I got to ask you too, because I know people probably still recognize you from American Idol. Do you want to stick with that, or do you try to kind of make a name for yourself separately from that, or?
Well, I think it's going to be a part of you no matter what. So I think you have to embrace that, and I think embracing that's the idea, and you want to bring as many fans along as you can, and I think obviously Idol's giving me that platform to, be able to do a lot of things.
Yeah, a few million of your closest friends are watching that show. It's crazy that the show is still going on. All the best to you, and this is your new CD.
Yep.
And this was out actually last year, but this is what you're going to be touring at The Distance.
Yeah, it was interesting. I did 18 months worth of Broadway touring after Grease. Grease was such a big success, and I'm so blessed that I was able to, tour that, and then also tour that, but this time actually, within the hours of a show time, I'm actually going to take The Distance, the record, on a national tour.
Taking it to the distance. Well, good luck to you. And
Thank
again,
you.
The name of the CD is The Distance. Taylor Hicks is going to be playing in Denver tonight. It is a sold-out show, but hey, if you're up at Red Rocks for Widespread Panic, you might see him up there. Taylor, take it away.
Well, sometimes I get lonely, and that's a hard thing to say, till I wound up in the wrong side of Mississippi. A little more than a getaway. Don't talk to yourself, 'cause after a while you might find those empty fields and flat lands might make you have to lose your mind. The sun is sinking down on the Delta. 7 miles is the only sign that lights our way. I hope someone is there to care about me. I'm gonna tear this old place down, and I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way. All right, here we go. The sun is sinking down on the Delta. 7 miles is the only sign that lights our way. I hope someone is there to care about me. I'm gonna tear this old place down, and I'll be on my way. 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 Jam.